Right, it's Liam from Splattered Plastic. Just had a little ding dong off the postman and he sent me a awesome little package. Just got to show you this on the awesome little package. To Liam, Splattered Plastic. Amazing. There's something weird outside. There's someone drilling outside. It's kicking me dog off, so we might get a little bit of interruptions. Sorry, mate. So, I got sent this piece of awesomeness. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the Shock and Truth original soundtrack by Mark Fox. And Mark has been good enough to sign it as well, which is amazing. And these all two will survive, and what will be left of them. Liam, best wishes, Mark Fox. Absolutely awesome. If you haven't seen The Shock and Truth, it's a documentary that was made about 2 or 3 years ago, maybe. Might be wrong. And it was basically about the making of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So they interviewed all the cast and crew, and Toby Hooper and Gunnar Hansen. And it's just, it really is a shock and truth about the reality of making a movie in the Texas desert in 1973. It sounded horrible. It was just dead bodies and animals and stink and heat and sweat and just watch it. It's amazing, man. So front cover, back cover. It's amazing. Look at it, big chainsaw. What more do you need on a Texas Chainsaw Massacre record? What's this? Dean is a genius. Mastered by Dean Homer at the Bowling Green. Dean probably is a genius, mate. I'll tell you that when I've listened to it. So side one, we've got Splatter Plant, Subhuman, Spasms, Meat Pulley, Abattoir, Chain Dance, Full for a Blonde. Oh man, Spasms and Meat Pulley. That just sounds amazing. So that's obviously going to be the scene where Leatherface cracks him on the head and he's just like. Side two is Saw Sounds, Bode, Tape Manipulation, Dead, Mad and Macabre, and Hoist. I cannot wait to spin this. Like I say, I haven't listened to this yet, so all this is like, it's just assumptions of what they're meant to be. So Pure Destructive logo, copyright 2018. Ludo's excited as well. Let's have a look at the vinyl. Dear Lord, I know it's amazing, isn't it? So clear vinyl. Inlay with just the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the Shock and Truth, and Pure Destructive logo. Little message in the dead wax. Dedicated to the memory of Toby Hooper, R.I.P. Good Lord, that is a nice touch, man. So seemingly, this is the clear and blood splatter variant of it. Limited to 20 copies, according to Mark. 20. 2-0. And I got one. And it's amazing. No difference on the B-side. Just pretty much the same. That is so clear, man. You see me through it? Can't wait to spin this, man. Cannot wait to spin this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a listen, and sometime this week I'm gonna post up like a little review about it, about what it sounds like, what the instrumentation's like, you know, the whole shebang. It's only gonna be a little one, but yeah. So that's it. Just thought I'd show you guys that, because I am over the moon to have this in my collection, man. I can't thank Mark Fox enough for sourcing me one of these. It's just, it's going to be up there with like the Charlie Manson record and everything else that I've got. Anyhow, I'm going to spin a record. Splattered Plastic, out.